Hi and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to create a landing page for pressure washing businesses using an AI developer tool called Lovable. So who am I and why should you listen to me? Well, I'm Alex Cho from ZBPPC, and over the past few years, I've worked with dozens of pressure washing businesses across the country, helping them grow using Google Ads. And if you're interested in working together, I offer a free 15-minute discovery call. The link is in the description below. All right, so let's quickly run through the key elements of a high converting pressure washing landing page for your Google Ads. So the first is lead focused landing page. Remember, this page has one goal, getting phone calls or quote requests, not general website browsing, not anything else. There needs to be a strong message match, so your headline should instantly tell visitors they've landed in the right place for pressure washing, ideally matching what they searched for in Google. Then a compelling hero section. So this is the first thing that people see. So you want to make it count with a clear offer and easy ways to contact you. Then you need to have clear headline and subheadline. So your main headline, it should state what you do. The subheadline can add your location and a key benefit or two. Then prominent call to action. So you want to make it very obvious how to contact you. So you want to include a click to call button and a straightforward quote form prominently displayed on your site. Then, this is important, minimize distractions. So unlike a website, right, this page should keep visitors focused on the conversion goals. No main navigation or any unnecessary links to other sites like social media to distract the visitor. Then build trust. So we want to show potential customers you're reliable with real testimonials and authentic visuals of your work. So this means before and after photos, completed jobs, your truck, any action shots of your crew. Then you want to showcase your services. So you want to clearly list the pressure washing services you offer with brief descriptions highlighting the benefits. Then you want to make sure to highlight why they should choose you versus other companies. Briefly explain what makes your business the best choice, such as being locally owned, having eco-friendly options, offering a satisfaction guarantee, among others. And then you can include trust badges if you do have them. Then you want to display the service area. So clearly state the cities and areas that you serve so visitors know you operate in their location. Then mobile optimized. So this is very important, right? Everyone is on their phones nowadays looking for stuff. So your landing page must look and function perfectly on mobile devices with very easy tap to click or tap to call functionality. Then in general, you want to make sure your page has a very fast loading speed. If it's too slow, people are just going to bounce, people are just going to leave, and you want to make sure it's optimized to load very quickly. And then concise content, right? So you want to get straight to the point, right? Avoid long paragraphs that are hard to read and any unnecessary information on the site. Then, of course, with Google Ads, you want to track your conversions. So you need to make sure that you track calls and form submissions from this specific page to measure its success. Then also keyword relevance. So you want to use the keywords your customers are searching for in your headlines and content to ensure relevance and message match. And then multiple CTAs. So don't just rely on one call to action button on your page. You got to strategically place multiple calls to action throughout the page to capture interests at different points in the journey. So what I've done, right, is I've taken all of these different criteria and I have created a AI prompt that we're going to feed into Lovable based on this criteria. So let's just go right into the website creation process. So you want to go to this website right here, Lovable.dev. Then you want to sign up and sign in. And then we have the prompt section right here. And so I'm going to take my prompt right now and I'm going to copy and paste it to the prompt box. We're just going to do this live. If you'd like a copy of this prompt, definitely like the video and leave a comment below and I can send it to you. All right, so I copied my prompt and then I pasted it into here. Again, this is based on the criteria that I just went over. And so what this is going to do is Lovable is very quickly going to create us a landing page based on this criteria. And this is going to happen. We're just going to do this live and it's going to only take a few minutes and you can watch and see and be amazed at, the progress of technology and how far things have come, especially with AI in a very short amount of time. So again, I copy and pasted the prompt here, and then all you do is press this button and we will watch it go. All right. So we just got to give it a few minutes. Just bear with me here. Oh, we got an error. All right, we're going to click try to fix here. Let's see what this does. This is one of the perils of just doing this live. Let's see what they're saying. I think this is done. So let's take a look at this. Open the preview in a new tab. Right. So here we have the landing page that they gave us. We have call button up top here. We have the company name, professional pressure washing, and the area they gave us was Atlanta, Georgia. We have a number of key points here. Then call button, quote request form, which goes to the quote at the bottom there. Then we have the customer testimonial, customer reviews section, social proof. We have a list of the services, then another get a free quote button, then why choose us, and then a few buttons, or I guess placeholders for icons for trust badges. Call us today. We have the service area. Then, these are actually areas around Atlanta. And then we have them too. The map shows Atlanta as well. And then at the bottom, we have contact us. We have the quote at the bottom, and then what to expect. And then we have some information, privacy policy, terms of service, copyright, etc. So let's just take a look at it on mobile to see how it looks when someone's looking at it on their cell phone. iPhone. So I think overall this looks pretty good. It looks a little cut off right here, but I think that this happens sometimes when I just switch into the mobile mode. And if I were to look at this on my phone, it probably looks all right, I'm going to say. But overall, this looks pretty good. Everything lines up pretty well. It's easy to read. No distractions. Quote form requests at the bottom. So again, this is pretty amazing. And it only took us around 5 minutes to create, just using a prompt, just if you were using ChatGPT or any other AI service. We literally told it, hey, I want to create a single page landing page for pressure washing services, given all these specifications. And then in a matter of minutes, it came up with this, right? So I'd say this is pretty amazing. At the same time, this is definitely not perfect. What's it doing now? All right, you're still going to need to take several steps, right, to edit the content for your own website, as well as for your own business. And we need to add Google tags in our Google Tag Manager, and then we need to set up the form submissions to make sure that this is all set up properly and the responses go to email or elsewhere. And so that's all well beyond the scope of this video, and it gets a little bit too technical to really cover this effectively. I just wanted to give you an example of what's possible in terms of landing pages nowadays with these AI tools. And I'd say this one is way better than 90% of the landing pages that I've seen that are coming from Google Ads. So again, this is really amazing. And then again, it still needs work. And then there are other options here too. So you can also connect this to other services like GitHub, Netlify, and Versal to deploy the website. But again, that is beyond the scope of this video. So what I will do is I'll show you, we can publish it and then you can take a look at it. I'll include the link in the description. So we're going to click publish. And then you can also connect a custom domain if you have that instead of using the Lovable subdomain. So we're going to click publish. And now we can click this and we should see it live. Yep. All right. This looks really good. And again, you're going to have to edit the content for your own website and for your own to reflect your own company. But for something that took 5 minutes, again, with a prompt, this is pretty amazing. So that's it for this video. If you are interested in working together, you can schedule a free 15-minute discovery call with me in the link below. And then if you like this video, be sure to like and subscribe. I drop new Google Ads tutorials and tips every single week.